Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting, this will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. The next on my list is plastic products. Plastic products. Germany import of plastic products is about $75.6 billion. $75.6 billion. Although now, because of climate issue, Germany is trying to minimize the import of this item into the country. And this is not just about Germany alone. I mean, a number of countries around the world are trying to minimize the import of or the usage of plastic because of the environmental sustainability issues all around the world. So, other plastic product, 19%. Rubber tire import by Germany is about 9.76%. 9.76% of the $75.6 billion of the plastic product. Polyacetals, 6.63%. Plastic lead, 6.63% also. Ethylene polymers, 5.94%. Raw plastic sheeting, 5.91%. Other rubber product, 4.39%. Polypropylene polymer, 4.08%. Plastic pipe, 3.49%. Other plastic sheeting, 3.45%. Self-adhesive plastic, 2.04%. Acrylic polymers, 1.83%. Plastic building materials, 1.82%. 1.77% for styrene polymers. Polyamide, 2.67%. Vinyl chloride polymer, 2.51%. Aminoresin, 2.24%. Self-adhesive plastic, 2.04%. Acrylic polymer, 1.83%. Plastic building, 1.82%. Synthetic rubber, 1.75%. Rubber apparel, 1.11%. Plastic houseware, 1.66%. Rubber pipes, 1.43%. Plastic fork covering, 1.17%. Rubber belting, 0.74%. Plastic wash basin, 0.72%. Rubber, 0.71%. So you can see various items of plastic articles being imported into Germany. Remember, the total amount of plastic product or plastic materials being imported into Germany is a whopping 75.6 billion. That's actually more than the whole of Nigerian export. Nigerian export. And by the way, the population of Germany is just about 100 people. But this is one of the most productive nations in the world. If you look at their production per capita, they are more productive than even the US and China. Because when you look at the total productivity of this country in terms of export output per capita, you can see the volume of level of production of this country in a year.